Hello, today we learn about the AngularJS. What is AngularJS? AngularJS is a JavaScript-based open source front-end web application framework. Actually, it denoted by Angular.js, or we can also read as AngularJS 1.x. Main benefits of AngularJS. It is maintained by Google and by a community of individuals and corporations to address many of the challenges encountered in developing single web page applications. Why do we use AngularJS? AngularJS is a structural framework for dynamic waves. It allows for extension of HTML syntax, convey the application component effortlessly. To download the AngularJS, we have to write angularjs.org and click on this link, and we get this AngularJS. Now we have to download by clicking download AngularJS. We have get a pop-up. First we check uncompressed file, and there a version here 1.619, and press the download and save. Here we can see the AngularJS is downloaded now, and you go see here. This is a AngularJS and check file. Open it. Now we can use for developing Angular web application by using this. Thank you guys.